Hello, Kev Blokey here from my Hot Wheels collection. Here to do an unboxing video. This will be the 2020 K case from Hot Wheels. So just had this turn up. So let's have a look and share the contents with you. So I'll just get my transporter out of the way. And that's gone. So let's have a look. There we are, folks. This is K case. So we'll have a look at the cars in the usual 3 at a time. I've put my knife down somewhere and I can't find it. I'll use scissors. So, open the box. Come on. Yep. Right, so just turn the camera back for a minute. Right, there is the case open. Quick peep inside, and let's start going through the cars in the usual 3 at a time. So, first off, we have the 98 Honda Prelude, new casting. Very nice. Then we have the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Just having a look at the graphics on the side there. I don't think they should be on there, because looking at the card, there's no graphics on the side yet. I seem to have the graphics on the top on the side, so that could be quite a cool error. I'll see if I've got another one in the box. Anyway, Porsche 911 GT3 RS. I think this is an Tanner Fox, guys. Previously had the Godzilla Nissan Skyline. Now he's gone over to Porsche. Right, so next up, 67 Shelby GT500. From the Not to Happen Tokyo 2020 games, this is the Velociter Swimming. This one focuses on. And then we have a second Porsche. Right. Next up we have a second Honda Prelude. Very nice with the rear number plate. I believe that's the based on the car that the designer's parents owned, as I understand it. Recolour of the Audi RS5 Coupe, and well, new casting for me anyway. The 20 Jeep Gladiator with those two motorcycles, off-road bikes in the rear. Right, next three. Ah, yes, right. So this is the Sesto Elemento, and just to compare, if I get the one previously, you can see that rather bizarre printing error, an overprint of the I don't know what they are, about the exhaust, I don't know, whatever, engine part on the rear opening hood has ended up being printed on the side as well, so that's quite a cool error. Yeah. Right, put those. Oh, everything's gone flying. What was that? Put that there. Right, so that's the Sesto Elemento as it should look. Next, we have got the Night Dragon creature car, and from the art cars, we have the Humvee with a letter N on the top. Haven't worked out what this is are supposed to spell yet, but we get there. Right, Ford F49 Ford F1, previously metallic green. This is in an orange colour scheme. And then we have the Nissan 300 ZX twin turbo in Japanese police garb. And the 57 Chevy. I believe that the Super in this case is the 57 Chevy. This is the normal version, which suits me. It's nice to get a Super, but as I don't tend to unpack any Supers I get, or indeed race them down the track, they serve not a great deal of point, but I know some of you people like to get excited about them. Next up, anyway, we have the 2018 Honda Civic Type R in racing colours. Very nice too. From the art cars, we have the Custom 56 Ford truck. This is the regular treasure hunt for this case. Letter S on the roof there. So always good to get a treasure hunt, be it regular, super, whatever. And we have another GT500. Next three in the case are Mad Props from the HW Rescue series. This is air response, responding to what I don't know, and two versions of the Croc Rod from the Street Beast series. Okay. Next up, we have a second version of the Honda, a 90 Acura NSX, and another version of the Velocita. Next three, we've got the 2018 Ford Mustang GT in border colours. I believe this one was previously in red, and two versions of the Beat All in that transparent red plastic body. Right, next three are the BMW Z4M Motorsport, the 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, and the Batcopter. Next we have a second version of the Ford Mustang, BMW Z4M Motorsport, and the HW450F. Final three on the top layer then. One with a rather bent card here, never mind. Anyway, we've got the rather attractive looking 86 Monte Carlo SS, the Jaguar XE SV Project 8 in that metallic representation of British Racing green, and the Centenario Roadster with that rather bent card. But it's not a problem because it'll all get opened up. Let me just shift these over to one side because I'm starting to block my light a little bit. There we go, that's better. Right, that's the first layer done. Second layer coming up. Right, we have got the Custom Otto. This is a release of a Redline era car, the Custom Otto, I believe. Then we have a new casting, the Velociracer. One there for the kids. And another Custom Otto. Next three up are... Come here. Yeah, there we go. Right, we have from the Art Car series a La Fasta, letter H on the bonnet. Obviously, I can't put this one on the roof because it's a plastic roof. Then we have the clumsy git. We have the Manga tuner. This has proven very popular with a lot of customizers, from what I can see. And the Electro Silhouette. I see an Electro Silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, can you do the fandango? Right, 69 Camaro in blue, part of the Roadster series, and two versions of a new casting. This is the Grand Cross in Hot Wheels Race Team colours, an SUV sort of Tesla Model X kind of look into it, really, I suppose, but a fancy or unlicensed casting nevertheless. Right, next three, if I can grab a hold of them, are another version of the Camaro, 69 Camaro. Goodyear colours on, or Goodyear branding on the side. Then we have the Roger Dodger 2.0 in blue and a Range Rover Velar in red. Look at that. Lovely. Right, next three. We have two versions of the Formula E Gen 2 car in purple and the Big Air Bel Air. So this is a new casting, an off-road version of the, I think general consensus was it was a 56 Chevy. This is the off-road version thereof. So very nice. Always good to see a new casting, see how it will perform on the track. Then we have another Velociracer, another Roger Dodger 2.0, and the Erkenstein Rod. This is a custom model, fancy model based on a pickup truck by the look of it. Very similar colour scheme to the first version of the mod rod, so it'd be nice to put those two next to each other. Yeah. Let's have a look at the back there with the roll cage detail, exposed engine or motor there. Yeah, lovely. Very good. Quite a few new castings to have running down the track, which is always good. Right, then we have got the Bone Shaker, part of the Art Cars series. This has got the letter L on the roof. Then we have the Too Tough, quite like this for a fantasy casting, pickup truck in Surf Rescue colours. And from the 2020 Olympic Games, we have got the 2010 Toyota Tundra. This one with baseball garb details on the side. Right, next three up, we have got another version of the Bone Shaker and two versions of the 2019 Audi R8 Spider convertible in white. License plate details on the front and rear. Nothing on the side, but I don't mind that. Nice clean looking car. So yeah, pleased with that. Good. Right, next up we have got another Big Air Bel Air, the Manga Tuna, and again from the 2020 not happening Olympic Games, this time with karate. This is a return of the Toyota 2000 GT. I believe Mattel have now got the license from Toyota again, so hopefully we'll see some delights coming from that manufacturer. Anyway, moving on. Datsun 620 pickup in this rusty sort of undercoat colour. JDM Legends on the side, based on their shop truck, I believe. Then we have the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, recolour of this in red. And another casting to return, very long casting when you look at it, is the 57 Plymouth Fury, part of the Flame series. Lovely. Right. Down to the last six then. Here we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class in red. Details on the front, details on the rear, and then two versions of the custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. And final three for this case are the 71 Dodge Charger, part of the Flame series in red, a 69 Dodge Charger 500, also part of the Flame series in purple, and finally a 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. So there we are, that's your 72 models from the 2020 K case. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and yeah, check out my other videos, like, subscribe, yada yada, stay safe. Worldwide this coronavirus is still doing the rounds, so I've been busy building a new track, more details of which will be revealed in good time. So yeah, take care, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers, Kev Blokey saying, bye.